So this US oil analysis for Wednesday the 14th of November. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the US oil, did see quite a bit more volatility than I anticipated. We had prices return towards that 59.31, tested on a few occasions, rejected. Saw this very sharp acceleration and momentum here to the downside, breaking beyond that 59, taking us all the way down towards this $59 a barrel. So we had pretty much $4 worth of price action all the way down here to the downside. Actually traded beyond that $55 a barrel. Actually did trade in towards the 54, trade as low as 54.73. So quite a bit below that, fair bit, I would say. Oil's pretty volatile, so a little bit below that $55 a barrel. We've pulled back, tested 55.73, rejected. Currently trapped within a particular range between that 55.21 and that 55.73. So now we did see a pretty sharp move here to the downside. So we'll see if we do hold this 55.21. If we do see a bit of a counter trend recovery here. We're looking for 55.73, 56.52. Beyond that, we're looking at 57.12 and at 57.75 here to the upside. If we do see a bit of a recovery on the US oil, probably looking more at that 57.12 or something, possibly at 57.12, possibly seeing that return of sales have momentum. But if we do see a counter trend move, we're looking at that 57.12, possibly at 57.75. If, however, we do see a breakdown, we do see this continued fall here on the US oil, as we've seen over the past couple of weeks, and we do break beyond that 55.21, a very next level of notes, 54.07. Beyond that, we're looking at 53.54, 52.86, and beyond the 52.86, looking at 52.22 here to the downside on the US oil. If we do see this continued fall, don't anticipate prices moving much beyond that 52.22 here on the 14th of November. Similarly to the upside, if we do see a bit of a counter and move, I wouldn't anticipate price moving much beyond that 57.12 here to the upside on the US oil. Now what we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts, see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart, we get scaling on here, correct? So on this daily chart now, we do have our highs. We've posted a series of lower highs, pullbacks. Over the past couple of days, we've gone on this past couple of weeks actually. We've gone on this extended run of bearish days. As we can see, upside prices have been rejected as indicated by the wicks, closing bearish, closing near our lows. Pretty strong bearish sign. Now, we were trending to the downside and we've put in this rather large bearish candle here. Usually, well, I shouldn't say usually. There are occasions where when you are trending downwards and you put in such a large candle, it's usually it's usually somewhat of a bit of a capitulation by the whether it's the bears or the bulls that are in charge of the market. So in this case, it's the bears. So when normally when you have a trending market, then you have a large candle closing near its lows. It's usually usually one large push by the party that's in control, in this case the bears, to one large push here to the downside, in this case the bears. And what usually happens is we usually see a bit of a kind of trend recovery on the whatever asset it is, whether it's a currency or in this case is a commodity. When you have one large push by the bears, it seems like everyone that's selling has sold, and after which you might see a bit of profit taking, a bit of a counter trend move here, a bit of profit taking, a bit of bulls looking for value, and see a bit of a counter trend move to the upside. So we'll see if this is on this occasion. Yesterday's price was that such capitulation, whether we'll see simply probably a move there to downside, reject, and then see further recovery here to the upside. But when you have a trending market, have such a large candle, such a voluminous candle, open to high, well, I should say open to high, I should say the high to low, got a fairly substantial high to low range, has a pretty strong open to close range, also closed near the lows. One large push by the bear, so we may see a bit of a counter and move now. It's probably equivalent to catching a falling knife as you're standing in the way of all this price action before it. But I've noticed that in the past that one large push by at the end of the trend, at what could be the end of the trend, by either the bulls or the bears, in this case the bears, and then see a counter trend move. So we'll see if that plays out in the next couple of days. If we do see continued fall here, however, if we do see significant close below that low, then that little theory proposed by myself will be proved incorrect, but it's just something I've noticed over the years of looking at charts, that one large push by the bears or the bulls, in this case the bears, because the market's been trending downwards, and then you see a bit of a counter trend move to in this case the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.